Hi everybody, welcome back to The Mad Millionaire here on YouTube. So today we are going to be installing the cabinets that we purchased from Home Depot. So we have sitting here in the living room that was just delivered the Hampton Bay shaker cabinets. They're in white, and yeah, these are going in today. So we are taking out the old cabinets and installing the uppers and lowers today. And yeah, I'll just let you take a look at this process of us unboxing, demo, and install, and I'll come back in at the end. All right, so the upper cabinets are in. Aren't they just beautiful? Yay! All right, so now we moved on to dry fitting the lower base cabinets, and this is where the drama started. So we ran into an issue in this corner with this blind side that was recommended to us. And it just didn't work. It didn't fit the space. It didn't work. We thought about modifying the cabinet. You know, we thought about some alternative solutions, the Lazy Susan for this space. You know, the original cabinet that was there, Home Depot no longer carried that, or they didn't carry it in this Hampton Bay collection. So we had to go back to the drawing board in order to figure out a solution for this corner before we installed these base cabinets. All right, so now this is going to be a little extra time, more, you know, some delays, but we're hopeful about it. And then also during this time, we had some other issues pop up. So we're going to talk about how we fixed this corner in the kitchen, the corner cabinets. We're going to talk about how we fixed that and some other issues that popped up that caused a couple of delays. And so yeah, but nonetheless, these are still beautiful, and I'm on pins and needles waiting to get this project completed. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.